What's up, guys? It's Death to Rapist again with some airsoft stuff today. Today we're going to be doing precision ammo. Now we got the .20 gram. We got some precision, and it should say precision. Oh, that's 12. Precision on there. So what we got? We got the 20 grams, .20 grams of big ol' round plastic babies. So this is the ammo that it's most commonly found in Walmarts. You can't find them really anywhere else. Airsoft supply stores, you can definitely find them in bulk. You don't need them in bulk because if you're a serious airsoft player, you might, but I don't play all that often. Well, this has been Death to Rapists with your airsoft rounds. Today has been a horrible day. Well, hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. As always, have a nice day.